want you to watch this video up to the end because I am sharing something very crucial that I don't want you to miss. So watch and listen very carefully, and I promise you what I'm sharing is going to help you in your hair growth journey. So welcome back to this channel. I realized that hair getting stuck is not just normal. It's about understanding the root cause and giving your hair exactly what it needs. Hair growth can plateau for many reasons. For example, breakage, split ends, scalp health, lack of circulation, or even stress, among others. But once you understand this, you create a routine that targets each problem, and finally, it works. So, let's dive straight to why hair gets stuck. Number one, it can be due to breakage. Your hair is growing from the scalp, but if it breaks at the ends, you won't see progress. Number two, scalp health. Weak follicles, poor blood circulation, or buildup of product can make your hair too stuck. Number three, moisture balance. Too dry or too oily hair can cause breakage or slow growth. Number four, stress. Hair needs vitamins, mineral, and a calm, healthy environment for it to thrive. Number five, over manipulation. Constant styling or using it tools weakens the hair shaft and prevent length retention. So now these are my practical hair growth strategies that I used to grow my hair past shoulder length. Number one is protective styling. Avoid tight braids, tight bands, or constant heat. Opt for low manipulative styles like loose twist, loose bands, or braids. The benefit is it reduces breakage, helps to retain length, and helps to protect fragile ends. So that is the first technique. The second one is scalp stimulation. Daily scalp massages for like 5 to 10 minutes helps to increase blood flow to the follicle, boost nutrients delivery, and reduce tension that can make your hair get stuck. Number three is moisture and strength balance. Hair growth can plateau when hair is dry, weak, or lacking protein. Moisture alone is not enough. Hair needs both hydration and strength. So, water-based leave-ins can hydrate your strands. Oil then seal in that moisture, which helps to protect breakage, and then protein treatment helps to strengthen weak strands and reduce split ends. Okay, so each wash day, ensure that you deep condition your hair. You use a protein product, protein mask, and avoid over conditioning too much moisture without protein because it can weaken your hair. Let's go to DIY practical strategies that will help stuck hair. Number one is using castor oil hair growth mask. Castor oil helps to improve circulation to the scalp and strengthen hair follicles. It also helps to moisturize hair strands, deeply reducing breakage. And also, it forms a protective layer on the hair shaft, reducing friction and split ends. How you can use this is, you can decide to mix 2 tablespoons of castor oil with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil or olive oil or jojoba oil, which makes it even easier to apply. Then massage onto the scalp and coat the hair ends, then leave it overnight or for like 1 to 2 hours, then wash out with mild shampoo. Number 2, you can use aloe vera plus coconut oil growth gel. Aloe vera contains enzymes that help to repair dead skin cells on the scalp and reduce dandruffs. For the coconut oil, it penetrates the hair shaft and helps to prevent protein loss and also strengthen your strands. How to use it? You can blend like 2 or 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, then apply to the scalp and hair from roots to the ends, then massage for like 10 minutes, leave it for like 30 to 45 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 3, you can use egg plus honey plus olive oil protein mask. Eggs are protein-rich, essential for hair structure. For the honey, it helps to retain moisture and add shine. For the olive oil, it seals the moisture and nourishes the follicles. How to use this? You can mix 1 egg plus 1 tablespoon of honey plus 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Then apply to the scalp and also to the hair. Cover with a shower cape for like 30 to 40 minutes. Then rinse with cool water and shampoo lightly. Number 3 is fenugreek seed paste. How it works? Fenugreek seeds are rich in nicotinic acids and also proteins, so they help to rebuild keratin, reduce breakage, and stimulate new hair growth. How to use? Soak like 2 tablespoons of fenugreek seeds overnight, then grind into a fine paste in the morning. Apply to scalp and leave it for like 30-45 minutes or even 1 hour. Then rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water. We are number 5, and number 5 is green tea plus aloe vera scalp toner. Green tea helps to promote hair growth and reduce hair loss. For the aloe vera, it soothes the scalp and improves follicle health. How to use is brew 1 or 2 green tea bags and let them cool. Then mix with 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel. Apply as a scalp toner, leave it for like 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse or leave in if you prefer a light leave-in, okay? So you can decide to rinse or you just leave it as a leave-in. Number 6 is avocado plus banana hair mask. Both avocado and banana are rich in vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats. So they nourish the hair shaft, reduce breakage, and promote elasticity. They help hair grow past the stuck point by preventing split ends and dryness. How you can use it? You mash 1 banana plus 1 avocado until smooth, or blend both the banana and the avocado. Then apply to hair from roots to tips. Leave it for like 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. So stuck hair can grow past that plateau, and the secret is not just one product, not just one trick, but combining the right scalp care, DIY treatments, and staying consistent with your routines.